Okay, check it out. This is Leland's pool. And this is where Leland is swimming. You gonna get in the big pool? You got a ladybug on your back. There's a ladybug on your shoulder. Look at your ladybug. Look right here. Look, right here. See it? See the ladybug? Look right here. No, look at your arm. Look at. Where'd it go?
There.
Where'd the ladybug go? There she is. Save her. Save her. Save the ladybug. There we go. It's a ladybug.
Oh, two.
Uh-oh.
I'm jumping. There we go.
Save her.
I can reach.
Sure you can. There we go. Save the ladybug. Aww. Aww. It's a ladybug.
I'll go home.
Yeah, it's a ladybug.
I'm a bigger boy. Wait, check it. Okay. Ladybug. I want to be too.
Aww.
Me too.
That was sweet.